Hey everybody, I'm the math guy here at the Learning Liaisons. I'm Duran, and I'm going to go ahead and introduce this Math SAE 5-9 practice test. So we have this homepage here, and that's going to be found by clicking directions for the practice test, and it'll give you a quick synopsis of what's to come. Up next, if you click the practice test, you'll be able to access your practice test, all 73 questions, multiple choice, through and through. So you can go ahead, take your time, answer all of the questions, and if you notice right up here, on every question, we include the competency and skill which this question is addressing. And so that's great for you because what you can do is you can click through every single question and you can basically figure out which questions or which competencies you're having the most trouble with, and you can also isolate that topic and really just tackle that if that's the one that's giving you trouble. Sweet. So up next, I want to go ahead and show you guys this really cool thing that we've done, and it's creating a video solution for every problem that's created on our practice test. So it's going to be separated by competency. So let's say after you take your test, you see that, hey, competency 1.4, I really messed up there. I really couldn't figure out Jake's problem here. Well, what you can do is you can go drop down to competency 1 and go to 1.4, and then our video will pop right up, and then you can go ahead and watch it. Now, I hate the sound of my voice. Hopefully you don't. But in case you do, you can go and scroll all the way down here where it says Downloads Written Video Solutions. If you click that, you'll see that a PDF file will be available for download, and you can go ahead and download that as well. It'll pop up in this page, and you can download it right there at the top right. And you can also print it out. And so all 26 pages detail the solution process to every question. So again, if you're not ready to go ahead and watch all of those videos, or maybe you don't have the time, maybe you just want to review the answers as you take the test, hey, this file's right there for you. And so before I let you go, let me just go over a few extracurricular things here. We have the learner section, which will display everyone that's in the course with you taking the test. And then lastly, we have the discussion board where you can post encouragement or ask questions about any of the questions that you've been answering, and anything that's giving you trouble, really. And then we have URLs, images, and polls that you can provide as well. And there you go. So this is a quick overview of our SAE Math 5-9 practice test. We're ready and excited for you guys to get started, and we're really ready for you guys to pass your GKs, maths, and all other FTCE preps. Let's get cracking.